Hello, my name is Belal Arabi and today, welcome to UAFM. This medical university is in the heart of Kraków and students come here from all around the world to study medicine, dentistry and pharmacy. And today I'm really excited to show you everything it has to offer. Welcome to the intensive therapy room. Every single machine and equipment here is real and it's used to mimic a real-life hospital scenario. This is really important for students because they can test themselves in an emergency clinical situation. Also, everything here can be recorded so they can review and check their progress later on. This is a really important part of their learning. Welcome to the Children's Therapy Room. Students here are trained to work with the youngest of patients, from newborns all the way up to 8 years old. It's a critical part of their learning and training, and it really helps them to become confident future doctors. Medical students, you're not going to become a doctor without learning how to do CPR, and this is what this room is all about. This is all about advanced life support and basic life support with a strong focus on CPR and airway management. This is a core skill for every single doctor, so it's important that you learn how to do this so you know how to react in emergency situations. Alright guys, don't panic, he's going to be okay. Because right now, we're in the university ambulance simulation room. Over here, we have all the real equipment, real stretchers, real oxygen to simulate emergency situations without the traffic jams and the sirens. Don't worry, I'm not going to operate on anyone here. This is the laparoscopy room, and this is where we use simulators to practice certain surgical procedures. We use cameras and instruments and computers to mimic that environment. Over here, we also practice suturing with equipment that feels a bit like skin, so we can practice different suturing styles as well. This is super important for you students who are looking to become surgeons in the future. Oh, hi there. I was just reading the principles and practice of surgery in the university library. This is an amazing place to connect with new people, make friends, and at the same time, take your learning to another level. There's plenty of books to choose from, so this is going to be an amazing place to study during the exam season. And that concludes our tour of the medical university, a place built for future doctors to give them the skills, the community, and the confidence to excel.